Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome. Welcome back to another US stream. Um, yeah, what a trade that would have been. We did take a trade on the 15 minute today. I'll go through that later, but there was another entry which, there was another entry, but it were all time high, so it weren't the best opportunity. But I will go through that in a minute. Let me just share the links, guys, and then we can crack on with this. But yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome back to another stream. Let's try and get another win. Hope everyone's good. Guys, comment who's here. Cheers for the likes as well, guys. I appreciate you all. Almost 200 subs, bro. Yeah, I know. It's gone crazy. 197. It's going good. I think I gained like 20 overnight. Well, 15 overnight. One of the live streams is picked up from a couple of days ago. Let me just share this live, guys, and then I can... Let me just share this live, guys. Bando, how's it going, bro? How are you, Bando, mate? Nice to see you again. Ben's in. Bando's here. Who else is here? Hey, Natalie, how's it going? Guys, who's here? Let me see who's here. Let's try and get another win today. So we've got Natalie, Bando, Ben. How's it going? The actual trade I got was a 30-minute flip, 15-minute flip down here. That was the actual trade I got, which is crazy. That's a huge position. What a position. I didn't take that though. I took this trade, but I didn't take all that profit. Crazy. I took like TP here. Still a decent gain though. Yeah, guys, I'll start breaking the charts down in a second. Just give it another 2 or 3 minutes. Like I say, we'll see what's going on with these charts. I can break down a couple of things that's happened today already. Yeah. Dean, gold is mental today. Welcome, Dean. And yeah, it is crazy. I'm happy that I caught a trade today. I caught like from here to here. So I caught that move there, 30, 40 ticks. But yeah, gold's given a couple of opportunities, and I will break them down soon, guys. Cheers for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. 5 likes. Nice one. Yeah, almost at 200 subscribers. Alive has hit hit the 40. I think the YouTube thing from 2 days ago. It's hit like 500-600 views. But yeah, give it 2 minutes, guys. I like to do the breakdown after this hourly closes, so we need to wait 3 minutes and then we can go. Let's see who's here, guys. Let's have a look at Saf's here. Afternoon, Saf. How's it going, mate? Hope you're well. Dean, good man. Yep. Yeah. So what were it? It was 1 second, guys. I can double check for you really quickly. So there was a live. That's the one. 2 days ago, it hit like 500 views. I think it's just hitting the pages for everyone to look at now. But yeah, right, guys. So let's have a look. Like I say, I've said it for the past like 2 or 3 streams now, guys. I'm not looking at the weekly. The weekly, anybody looking at the weekly, they're not looking at anything because it's just 3 green bullish candles after a little tiny pullback on gold. Yeah, there's nothing to see on the weekly. Daily, again. Yesterday, there were a bit to look at. You know, yesterday you actually... One second, let me just turn that down a bit. Yesterday, if we just delete this. Yesterday, there was a bit to look at on gold, you know, because we opened up and we opened kind of bearish. So, you know, if you was trading the Asian session, you could have said to yourself, okay, I'm going to look for shorts down into this wick fill here. You know, this wick fill here on gold. And then you could look for the continuation higher. But gold has its own mind of its own. And right now on the daily, we're pushing straight above. One sec, guys. We're pushing straight above yesterday's daily high. And it's quite common on gold for gold to do this. Like, you can see like 3 or 4 times just in this price action, look, bang, straight above. bearish candle straight above, and now look, bearish candle straight above. It's just because the volume on gold for longs and the news around the wars and the news with, like, you know, cutting interest rates and stuff, like, that's the reason for gold pushing up and not going. It is doing really good on like 30-15 minute technicals, but in terms of like daily technicals, it's not really doing much. Like, after this bearish candle, big bearish candle, a lot of people are stepping in shorts, and you know, it's just be instantly reversing to the upside, taking all their stop losses. Because if you're a retail trader who's just started trading, you're seeing this big bearish candle and you're going short here with stops above it, thinking that you're going to catch this move down, and then look, you're instantly getting taken out. And it's the same with this bearish candle today. A lot of people are saying, all right, I'm going to look to go short, and then bang, it's just instantly reversed on them. That's all I can really say on the daily, guys. In terms of hourly, yeah, this morning we can just track back a little bit. One sec, guys. Just one sec. Perfect. To here. Yeah, we can just track back this morning, and what I was seeing this morning, guys, is very simple. You know, you took a little liquidity to the downside, but we took it. Yes, this was yesterday, by the way. We took this liquidity yesterday, and since then, like, even in Asia, like, you can see the Asia range from this morning when we woke up. You can see that Asia was quite rangy. Here, you know, there's not much trading in Asia, and a couple of the guys who do trade Asia in the community said the same. They said, oh, there was nothing much in Asia. And we've had this price action in London. We've had this price action in London for the past 2 or 3 days, and this price action sometimes in the US session as well. So to see an Asian range like this, you're bound to see either a US or a London push, and we got the London push today. And you know, you can see the range that we broke out of. You know, I had a range with the community from here to here. As soon as we broke out on that 15-minute, guys, you know, you're longing. I took a perfect long position here, and I had my overall target just at this like kind of double top area. You know, I had stops there, and you know, the easy 35 ticks. You know, and it was literally like 1 15-minute candle that pushed and took the profit. But yeah, other than that, since the actual liquidity grab of these highs to the left, we've just continued higher. There was another opportunity on the 5, but I said to the guys in the community I weren't taking it because how close we were to all-time highs. The only way I would have taken the second position is if we continued down a little bit and then continued higher, but gold just flew, and it's been flying ever since, guys. You can see that it's just not stopped. You know, when we're near all-time highs, I do like that pullback before the continuation. Even here, guys, I'm not buying gold here. I'm not buying gold here. I'm buying gold here. I'm buying gold here. You know, because if I'm buying gold here, guys, and majority of people are buying gold here, you don't want to be with the 95% who are buying here, and you don't want to be with the 95% who are buying here. Well, in this one case you do, but in most cases here and here you don't. You want to be buying with the 5% or the 10% here and here, and that's exactly what I do. You know, you wait for that pullback, you look for the continuation. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to look for now, guys. And don't get me wrong, we can start looking for some pullback shorts on gold. And if we just look quickly at what we're starting to create now, we're starting to wick to the upside. So for me on gold, to go long, you know, you want to pull back to then continue. But we could look for some pullback shorts if we start grabbing some highs. Okay, let's start grabbing some highs, and then yeah, let's see if we can get some pullback shorts for this session. Okay. Welcome, guys. Who's here? So we've got 10 people in. Welcome, everyone. But yeah, this session's not easy, guys, because yesterday's session was really nice. We had clear targets to target. Realistically, now on gold, you don't have any clear targets until you pull back. And I say this all the time: pull back, then you can look to long higher. Especially when you're bullish on gold, guys. Don't just look to go long because it looks bullish. Gold's always going to pull back. It's always going to range, and it's always going to give you another entry to continue higher if it's bullish. If gold's really bullish now, guys, it's very good for it to pull back, range, and then continue higher. So don't be looking to buy now. It's stupid. Look for pullback shorts. One sec, guys. Don't be looking to buy here now. Look for the pullback shorts, wait for the range, and then look for the continuation into them clear targets. And that's exactly what I'm going to look for now. Or we can now take the shorts down. Sorry guys, still got a bit of a bad nose. So if anyone's got any questions, guys, at all, if anybody wants me to break anything down, any other charts, you know, you've got oil, Nasdaq, copper, anything, let me know. Exactly. Yeah, there is news in like 25 minutes as well. It's like unemployment claims again, I think. Unemployment claims, let me just double check one sec, guys. So we got, yeah, unemployment claims and GDP. So you're bound to get a bit of a range. I think maybe another thing, guys, another thing that you want to test out as well, when you're trading the US session and when there's news, when you get the pre-market push, or when you get the push prior news or prior impact news, you tend to see a reversal after the push on news. So I'm personally thinking that, yeah, we've had this push pre-US news. You could easily push up again and then continue to the downside. That would be my thinking. And then you probably see this H4 wick a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'd be looking for, guys. I'm looking for these highs to get taken on news. So the first couple of minutes of news, take these highs and then continue down. And I don't mean it's going to continue all the way back down here, but I mean, you know, you could push down maybe to here. So that's my thought process for today. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. Yeah, guys, 3 subscribers away from 200. It's crazy. Oh, 2 subscribers, guys. We just got another one too. 2 subscribers away from 200. It's been crazy, guys. Nice one. Cheers for the likes as well. Appreciate it all. Like I say, guys, any questions at all, let me know. Get it in the comments. 5 minute, not showing me much, but yeah, we've left like a double top now, kind of on the 5 minute. You can see like equal highs here, so I do think on news you're gonna push up, but we have got 15-20 minutes until that. But yeah, I think that owl is closed very strongly as well. But guys, what I always say on gold, you get the cleanest moves after you break out with liquidity. You know, even if you're just trading the 30 or the hourly, you don't need any other time frames. I use these time frames because I can sit at my computer. But if you haven't got a chance to sit at your computer, you know, gold has these beautiful moves on hourly breakouts. Like, just look at the price action from here. Look at this. You know, you can see that price is taking this liquidity. You know, as soon as it actually breaks out here, this green candle, you know, you can just hold longs on hourly time frames, you know, into highs and just see how far they go. What's that like? Into that high, you've got 60 ticks. You know, you've taken 60 ticks just based off that. Obviously, this isn't your stop loss, guys. You know, you're having your stop loss tighter. But as soon as you break out, you've got like 60 ticks there with like a 20 tick stop loss. Obviously, you're going break even and taking partials, but just to give you a quick understanding, like here now, guys, you broke to the upside. Even if you're basing it off what this range here now, guys, if you've got a range from here to here to here, you know, when you break out of that range, bang, look, break out of the range, you can take your long, have your stops here, bang, look, you're going higher, bang, crazy. But yeah, look, you've got range break, continuation, longs, stops below, looking to go higher, and that was the whole idea of my trade today, guys. Clear liquidity, entry, continuation. Welcome everyone, welcome. Hope everyone's good. We've got 11 people in right now. Welcome all. Yeah, so basically what we're seeing on gold now is quite healthy. You know, you don't want to be looking to long yet. Or personally, I'm not looking to long yet. I'm going to see if these highs can get taken within news and come down a bit. But for me on gold, before I start longing again, let's try and take these lows out here. You know, take these lows and then you can continue higher. Oh, cheers, Skate. Yeah, nice one. Do you mean yesterday's long on stream or today's entry? Because today's entry were beautiful and yesterday's entry were beautiful. Guys, if you didn't see yesterday's stream, I took a 65 tick, well, overall it was a 65 tick push live on stream, 5-minute trade. If you haven't seen that, go onto yesterday's stream and watch it through. I think it was like an hour in. Go to an hour in and you'll see the setup and you can see how I took that. But today, yes, Skate's correct. Today's trade that I took, perfect as well. Did you take this too, Skate, or not? But yeah, that was the entry, guys. You have your stops, like, maybe... You can have your stops there, guys, at 30 ticks. But for me, personally, I had them, like, a bit lower, a bit higher. And then overall, you've moved, like, what, 200 ticks from my entry. Perfect. But yeah, for me on gold right now, guys, I'm potentially looking for this to then take out these highs again before pushing down potentially. Goldy, goldy, gold. But yeah, it looked good on every time frame, really, did this. You know, you had hourly flips here, a bit lower. You had everything. Hourly flips, 30-minute flips. And something that you need to start looking at, guys, is that even if you don't get like an hourly entry, you know, the 30 or the 15 still looks good. So don't be just if you can only trade like the hourly and 30 and you want to trade the higher time frames, yeah, absolutely fine. But if you can sit at the charts and actually trade all 3 time frames, then don't be just FOMOing in on like 1 time frame. It doesn't make any sense. Today's entry, I was watching the same, but was there watching the 5-minute barcode. Yep, so bad, Skate. The 5-minute entry here, the 5-minute barcode here, bang, look at that. Crazy, guys. You could probably scan this and get something for something. Seriously, it's crazy. But yeah, my entry was here. Beautiful 15-minute play here. You know, you could have even got in a bit lower down here, guys. But my range at the time was here. So I wanted to get back above that range. You know, you can see the 30-minute here. I wanted to get back above here. And once we did on the 15, closed just above it, then yeah, my entry was there. Stops below, like 10 ticks. Beautiful. So, guys, what I was saying before about the news move. What I was saying before about news moves, like, you know, you've got 15 minutes before news. Look what gold's doing, it's selling off. So for me now on gold, because we're selling off pre-news, I think we're going to push higher. You know, I've had a look at a little bit of data on gold, and when you get the pre-move on news, like the little push down or the little push up, it normally reverses that move, like at more than 50% of the time. So yeah, I've had a look at it on live data as well over the years, and it definitely does work. So this push down we're getting now, for me, you're probably going to see these targets get hit. But yeah, I like that we're pulling back a bit, because then we can look for longs now. Especially with that hourly closure looking good. But however, I'm just going to wait for this to pass by. Welcome everyone. So we've got 11 people in. Welcome all. Like I say, guys, any questions, get it in the chat. I can answer it for you. But yeah, Skate's right. That barcode was shocking. The 5-minute. Before the actual push, there were no real entry for me. The only entry that you had was this 5-minute confirmation here. There's a bit of anybody in the community, you'd have seen this. this play. One sec, guys. Here, guys. Beautiful 5-minute confirmation. Entry. Here. Stops below. But the only problem is, guys, to back to all-time highs, you've got like 20 ticks. It's worth it, but not when you're at all-time highs, guys. When you're at all-time highs, gold gets quite choppy. So if this is your all-time high, there's no way I'm taking it. But yeah, the candle did flip. This candle here. You'd have been in there and then bang. You know, you're continuing higher. But yeah, that's the entry. You've even got 5-minute confirmation there on that huge wick to continue higher and get another what? Another 22 ticks. So there's a lot of entries there on the way up. If you want to risk actually buying at all-time highs. Okay, guys, if you're interested in joining the free trading group, the Telegram's in the link in my description. If you want like my YouTube live stream links, you know, a bit of analysis now and again, just join that. It's free to join. Yeah, gold continuing down now. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions for the live, let me know. If you want me to break any of the charts down as well, let me know. I can break anything down. Obviously, most people will trade gold here only, but if not, let me know. So 15-minute on gold, pulling back a little bit. Took the lows that I said. Yeah. How far are we going to pull back though? So is that going to be the all-time high? 26.85. Bang on. Let me just check the community really quickly. Good idea. Just had some shorts from 83 to 76. Bando, nice. 83 to 76. Nice trade, bro. 83 up here. Okay, good. What was the reason for entry, Bando? Nice little push, though. 83 to 76. 83... 76. Decent little push. Right, just because you saw the momentum coming down. Enter. Just taking these lows on the 5-minute too. Dun, dun. But yeah, guys, what we're starting to do now, we're rejecting these laws. So news is out in 10 minutes. Like I say, it's a bit choppy now prior to news. But, you know, we're going to get that pullback. And then are we going to continue higher now? That's the question. Let's see. Right, gold rejecting this law now. Interesting. 15-minute clauses soon, and the 5 just opened. Probably are going to see a little pullback now on gold after that downside. But yeah, nice. Nice little push up on gold. Like I say, it's gonna get a bit choppy. It's gonna get a bit choppy on gold now. I need to edit this for another win and a loss the other day. This here, I took another win, so we're at 10 wins on stream, but I took a loss. So decent percentage wins to losses there. Welcome everyone, welcome. How's everyone doing? But yeah, that was a little pullback entry that you could have had. For a little pullback, you know, 30-40 ticks there, guys. One second. Sorry guys, just got some phone call on my phone. Did you take a trade? No, I didn't take it, Saf. Just because I'm waiting for news. Yeah, by the way, guys, I'm not in this trade. I just marked it up because we just took liquidity. I just think that we're going to get a little pullback before potentially pushing down. But without this 5 minutes forming and this 15, I don't know what news is going to do now. If it continued down and then it were like down here at news, I think it's going to push up. But because it's quite rangy on this 5 minute now, you know, like a bit rangy, then I think it could go anywhere. Potentially a bit lower. Cheers up lights, guys. Nice one. But yeah, guys, we've got 2 minutes until this 5 closes. But yeah, guys, welcome everyone. Like I say, if you've got any questions, guys, get your questions down. Let's see. If anyone wants me to break any charts down, any questions regarding trading, traveling and trading, you know, I went traveling and traded for like a year, and I'm going back traveling. I still travel now. I'm going traveling next in November, so for another 2-3 months. So if you've got any questions regarding traveling, full-time trading, full-time travel trading at all, anything, let me know. Yeah, if it interests you all as well, let me know. If you got any questions about the charts as well, guys, get it in. But yeah, welcome guys. We've got 13 people in here. Hope everyone's well. And we're almost at 200 subscribers. It's been crazy this last like week. Gained like 80 subscribers in the past 2 weeks, isn't it? Quite good. Like I said, I appreciate everyone. But yeah, no, Saf, I didn't take this trade, mate. I'm just waiting for this 5 to close. My thought process today is that we are going to see all-time highs again. You know, you've got like 3 equal 15-minute highs here that need taking. So yeah, before you do come back down a lower, you need to take these. So that's my thought process. Tom P, where did you go? So when I would travel trading, guys, I went to a few different places. So I've been to Moscow, I went to Turkey, I've been to Asia, Thailand, I went to Vietnam, going back to Vietnam in November. Been to a few places, Bali, Indonesia. Yeah, also done a bit of Europe as well, but I've done Europe as I was younger, so it didn't really interest me too much. But I have been to a few places in Europe as well. But yeah, all travel traded, all from trading, so it's definitely possible. So if you have got any questions regarding it, guys, let me know. It definitely is possible to do it all whilst you're traveling. Literally just me, my laptop, and a suitcase for 12 months. And like I say, since I've been trading and traveling, it's been like almost 2 years now. So but yeah, it was great experience, and that's what trading can do for you guys. Just believe it. Was thinking about Vietnam in a couple of weeks. Yeah, Vietnam's beautiful. Vietnam's really good. You can get some really nice places, nice hotels out there. Yeah, but Vietnam's beautiful. I can't wait to go back. I'm going to Nha Trang and Da Nang in November, December, and January for 2 to 3 months. You know, beautiful weather, good food. My dream, yeah. Natalie, definitely possible. Like I say, you're in the community now. You've taken the first step that you need to get to where you want to be. Just stick to the strategy. Ask me questions. Learn the strategy. Learn the content. Watch all the video content that I put out, and you'll be fine. Tom, life's good. Just came out of Thailand. Beautiful, Tom. Where did you go in Thailand, mate? I think I've been everywhere in Thailand. Most places in Thailand, anyway. So, Tom, where did you go? Tell me. Flight over from Manila, Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, Duncan, that's where I'm flying to. I'm flying to Ho Chi Minh, going to Ho Chi Minh for 4 days, and then I'm going to go to Nha Trang for 1 month. I've got an apartment there that I've just booked. So I'm going to stay there for a month. Nice apartment, sea view, beautiful. And then from Nha Trang, I'm going to go to Da Nang for a month. Another beautiful sea view place. And then I think maybe back to Thailand. Do you travel alone? No, I've travelled with. Well, I do travel alone, yeah, but I do meet friends who are also travelling. I've got friends in most parts of the country, in different countries now. For example, I've got good friends in Thailand. Everywhere in Thailand, I've got friends. You know, got different friends elsewhere now. But I'm actually travelling with my girlfriend next time. Do you always operate above the 5 minute time frame? So I use the 4 daily and weekly for like a higher time frame bias or a higher time frame outlook. But I use 30, 1 hour and 15 minute liquidity and levels, and then I only use the 5 minute for confirmation. Bangkok, Koh Samui and Koh Tao, beautiful, all really nice. I love Koh Samui. My favourite places in Thailand are Koh Samui and probably Phuket. I think I spent about 6 months in Phuket in total last year. Bangkok's good as well. Bangkok, you can get some really nice apartments there. But yeah, Raphael, I used mainly the 15-30 hourly for my levels and my liquidity, and then I use the 5 just for entry if I miss the higher time frame. But guys, don't be scared to travel alone as well. Traveling alone's fucking great. Traveling alone's great. At first, it seems a bit weird, but it's good. But I'm actually going with my girlfriend in November. You must have partied a lot in Phuket, yeah, mate. Add my Instagram if you want. You can see my Phuket, you can see my Phuket story. Crazy. Top film slash series for trading mindset. To be honest with you, I don't really read books, watch series, or watch films or anything. I think I think a book's not going to make you a trader. As well, it's not going to change your life. The only person that can do it is yourself. The only person that you can read a book and watch a series for your mindset, but then you can still blow accounts because you get informed or not listening to the rules or not trading to the rules. So I don't really do it. Like I've watched Wolf of Wall Street and stuff, but that's not going to make you a trader. Margin call, is it? Is it margin call? That's another one. But yeah, Ben, like you can definitely watch you can definitely read some books, trading books, like Trading in the Zone. I've heard Trading in the Zone's good. Like I say, I don't read, I don't watch series. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just trade my plan, trade my strategy, and make money. Oh, for the entertainment purposes, I mean, yeah, yeah, you've got like Margin Call's a good trading film. Margin Call's really good. What else is there? Wolf of Wall Street. That's funny. And what's that? The Big Short. The Big Short's really good. I like The Big Short's good. Actually, yeah, The Big Short is good with trader mindset because I think The Big Short is that he held a position when he was really far down. Like I always say, use a stop loss. But if you if you got that much conviction and you're willing to, be that much in drawdown, then yeah, fair enough. But yeah, Ben, I think the Big Short's probably my favorite. All right, sounds good. I also think the 1 minute and the second time we have higher volatility, so higher risk. Raphael, the only reason that the 1 second and the 1 minute it looks like it has higher volatility is because it's on a smaller time frame. The volatility is the same on all time frames. But yeah, if you're using 1 second, 1 minute stop losses, then yeah, you're definitely at higher risk. A good book for technical analysis is one by John J. Murphy. Is the one by John J. Murphy. I haven't read that, man. But yeah, for anybody else wondering who wants to read some books, yeah, that could be an option. This is the one I watched, 10 Secrets to Achieve Financial Success. Oh, cool. I'll screenshot this now. One sec, guys. I might watch them. I've just screenshot that. I'm gonna have a look at them over the weekend. Yeah, I haven't really got time to be reading anything. I recommended The Founder too, bro. It's good. Not trading, but The Founder. What, good for mindset, business, etc. Ben, yeah. So the news has pushed gold down instantly. So guys, for me now, we're actually starting to create something here, which is interesting. Let's get back to the trading side. Gold is starting to create a little head and shoulders here. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder. So if gold can actually get back above here, bang, then I'm going to look to trade this range higher, okay? Into here, back into all-time highs. Because, yeah, it doesn't look like it's good enough, but yeah, we've actually got 50, 60 ticks now, which is great. Founders of Mackey's, founders of McDonald's are great. Interesting. That is interesting. I might give that a watch as well. Oh, Anton Creel, yeah. Anton Creel did one. It was what was that? It was in London, and they had to like try to make 1 million or something. Is it? I've seen that Anton Creel one as well. Natalie, I've seen that. Billions also great, but again, it's more about the hedge funds and trading. Yeah, hedge funds, they make like 10% a year. Gold loving Head and Shoulders recently. Yeah, but it's been loving Head and Shoulders, but not respecting them. You had it inverse Head and Shoulders. Look, shoulder, head, inverse Head and Shoulder this morning on the 5. Perfect. But on the actual higher time frame, it's not been respecting them too much. Like, look, shoulder, head, shoulder, gone. But yeah, gold, I do know what you mean, Ben. It does love a Head and Shoulders. So we just instantly push down. No, nothing really, guys. However, I do like pullbacks on gold. What's the weather like where everyone else is, guys? I do know, yeah, Ben, for sure, though, it has. Gold's been printing many Head and Shoulders, you know, shoulder, head, shoulder, down. But we have just taken some liquidity on the 5 as well. Keep that in mind. Probably going to see gold push down a little bit further. You've had rejection from this level. You know, if you was looking to swing this, you could probably take this down. And then, you know, the reason being your stop's like what? What's your stop there? It's like 10 ticks. It's good enough to have a stop. But I don't like selling when gold's so bullish coming into structure. Look at this, guys. I'm not selling here because, look, you've got big level here, guys. So, as well, with news as well, it's going to be very volatile. Dun, 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 dun. So Goldie, what we're saying, little pullback, continuation higher. Starting to create a little range on gold now. 15 rejection. Yeah, guys, any questions whilst we're waiting for this to set up, let me know. Like I say, we did take a nice 15-minute entry this morning from here. Bang. Higher. So, you know, you've taken a beautiful long already. So, best to just wait. Now we're seeing price pull back. It's good because we've got targets above now. So it's just about waiting for price to slow down and then continue higher. But now price has actually created a top wick. If it's going to fall down now, it's going to be now. So now you could have your short in play to then continue low. But 32 ticks of volume. And you could probably have your first target here at 20 ticks and then look to target the range low. More news at 220 yards in that, bro. Powell. Powell speaking, but yeah, you'd be break even on this now anyway, guys. If you did take the 5-minute flip lower, you'd be break even. Looking to target these lows here, this double bottom here, guys, for like 43 ticks. So you've actually got 43 ticks to try and take there at break even, you know. You've got your confirmation above market. And this is just a continuation 5-minute play if you are in this. However, I'm not. Because I know this is going to happen where it just breaks at break even. Hey, King Arthur, how you doing, bro? He's back. Arthur's back. Not bad myself though, bro. Not bad. Guys, stream record. I did add the loss onto the stream record as well from like 3 streams ago. 10 wins, 3 losses, 4 break evens. Not bad. 70%. I need to change it back to 70%. 70% strike rate. Win rate. But yeah, I hope you're well, Arthur, mate. But yeah, that was a nice little position. You've had your there's your rejection and continuation. You're breaking below these lows. Continuation into the double bottom here. But like I say, it will be choppy, guys. Cheers for the lights, guys. I appreciate it. Guys, we're 2 subscribers away from 200. Can you help me get there? Who's gonna help me get there? That'd have been break even anyway. If you can help me get to 200, I'd be very appreciative. I do appreciate everyone who's here as well anyway, guys, but 200's good. I do like 200. Mm-mm. $15, what are you doing? So 15's not taking any liquidity as we closed below. 30 hasn't either. Hourly hasn't either. 5 minutes, the only entry time frame you've got, really. But for me, you'd want to get back above. Here we go. We're starting to get some rejection on gold now, guys. Interesting. Because you could probably see a pullback now on gold. You've had your pullback on the 15 hourly. Then yeah, probably continuation higher. Here we go. Are we going to push up, guys? Question. That was a 30-minute entry before prior news. Five-minute closes in 1 minute, guys. We'll wait for that, yeah? Guys, any questions? Get in the chat. Let's see. I'm going to wait for this 5 minutes to close in 50 seconds. And then it'll be the 15-minute close also. Yeah, because if this 5 minute close is bullish, guys, then you're probably going to pull back at least 20 ticks. So I'm just trying to see. We've got 5 seconds here, guys. You probably are going to push up from here. You can have your hard stops on the low, looking to target higher. I'm not entering this yet, guys. I'm just going to wait for the bottom wick to form, and then you can probably take the break of the high here. That's what you're probably going to see now. You're probably going to see gold push up. We've held above this support area. If it pushes back above 26.74, then yeah, you're probably going to be clear higher. But I think this 5 minutes should drive. There you go. And you've actually got some trendline liquidity coming in as well. So you're probably going to see gold drive now, guys. There you go. Bang. What's that? When it comes into this trend line here, guys, and this structure at 30 ticks, you want to be going break even. If not now, be going break even now. But yeah, that pullback on gold's nice. Yeah, we go break even now, guys. Tell you what, if you get back above here, then I think you're clear even higher, guys. If you can get back above there, but yeah. There's your long. I can understand why many people aren't on live today, guys, because we are a bit choppy. But I'll tell you what, this 30-minute is very interesting to me. This 5 as well is coming into this structure level. If you can get back above here, then yeah, you've got very nice buys. But yeah, you'd be running beautifully on this now, like 30 ticks, 31 ticks. By the way, guys, you'd be definitely taking partials off here at 30 ticks. If you're not taking partials off here at 30 ticks, then I wouldn't be even... It'd be crazy not to. Just take your partials there. But yeah, I think this trendline liquidity is going to get taken. And then that's the breaking point. Is it going to continue down or is it going to continue up? But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, like, get it in. Let me see what you got to say, guys. Okay, 5 minute close nicely as well. This would be a nice little second entry. If it closed above here, then yeah, you'd have a nice little second entry. But this should drive now. This should drive higher. I think it'll drive at least like so into here. There we go. Nice. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time. All good. All good, Duncan. Just keep learning the strategy in the community, bro. And you'll be fine. Cheers for the likes, guys. Guys, 2 more likes and we're back at 100. So let's get back up. There we go, guys. Pushing now. Nice little push. Push on gold. It's running like 30 ticks. 35 ticks. No, 30 ticks. Yeah, if you haven't already, guys, please drop us a like. I do appreciate it, you know. Let's get to 10 again. Nice one, guys. But yeah, Goldie's pushing nicely. 15-minute instantly did push up as expected. You know, after taking this liquidity here, guys, you expected for gold to push up like we have. You know, I don't know how much. Like I said, you secure your 30 pips here, guys. Take half off or whatever. But then after that, you just got to keep the stop loss tight and carry it up. So, and now you're getting the push, taking all this trend line liquidity now. Now you're getting that push higher, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. If you've got any questions, guys, let me know. This was a long trade I called out, just on a 5-minute. I said we've taken this liquidity to the downside. We're closing back above, respecting. You're going to get a pullback higher and take this trend line liquidity. I'm waiting for this 30 to close to see if I can take any swing longs, because we've still got nice range into the highs of 70 ticks. So yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see. Nice one, guys. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate you all. Welcome to anybody new. We've got 15 people in right now. Welcome all. 2 more people. We need 2 more to get to 200 subscribers, guys. Let's get to 200 subscribers. I appreciate it. So if y'all new, drop us a subscribe. I do go live 4 times per week on average. Right, this 30 is looking clean. Like I say, we've got news in 20 minutes. Are we going to go and take them all-time highs? But yeah, what a push. Push from the actual call. It's like, what, 66, 65 ticks? Again, another 65 ticks from when I said gold's going to go long here. Welcome everyone, welcome. Like I say, if you've got any questions, guys, let me know. Do you do this full time or do you have another job? Yeah, I do this full time, Duncan. I've done it full time for the past 2 or 3 years, mate. I did have a full time job whilst I was trading for like 3 or 4 years as well, though. So I've been trading like 6, 7 years now. Before I started streaming, before I had my community, before everything, I just traded myself. I only started the community 5 or 6 months ago, and I only started YouTube like 2 or 3 months ago. Well, I started uploading on YouTube maybe 5 months, 6 months ago, but yeah, I do this full time, bro. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful call there, guys. That's what you call the momentum trade. That's a beautiful momentum trade. When did you become profitable? Probably like, it took me like 4 years, Tom. It took me like 4 years. It took me a long time because, you know, I made all the mistakes and I didn't, you know, when you start learning from your mistakes, that's when you become profitable. When you start journaling, having a strategy that works. Obviously, finding a strategy that works, sticking to the rules, having a simple rule plan, yeah, then it helps, Tom, for sure. Like I say, guys, anybody's welcome to join the Discord community. If you want to join the Discord community, you can join. I'll link it to the live now. If you want to join, learn the full strategy with the other guys there, then yeah, get yourself in, guys. If not, it doesn't matter. Like I say, it doesn't really bother me if you do or you don't. If you want to learn the strategy that I teach, become profitable trader, then yeah, you can join. If you just want to join the free Telegram, get all my links and a bit of analysis now and again, then yeah, links in the description, guys. Free Telegram. What did I miss, Naeem? Not much. Went 1 tick below my TP, now it's rejected and not stopped. Where's your TP at? For me, if I was taking TP, it'd be these highs. I'd be taking most of my profits here. Oh, beautiful double top. I wouldn't worry, Ben. This will get taken soon. This double top will get taken. Yeah, Ben, this double top will get taken soon, I think, personally. But you have got news in like 20 minutes. Naeem, not much, bro. Not much. There were the highs I had my TP on. Amir, all the best. Welcome, bro. Are you in this trade? This is just a draw, Naeem. But I did call it out, guys. I said we've taken this liquidity. We're gonna push on this candle here. We pushed up, you know. Now you can be break even taking your partials here, guys. But this double top will get taken on gold, and then not if this not 5 minutes, the next. This double top here, guys. Just the way that gold moves, it likes to reject close to double tops, and then it'll take it. Like you can see it so much. Look, guys, double top rejects, takes it. You know, double top rejects, takes it. Double top rejects, takes it. So if it's not, it'll be the next at least 2 or 3 5-minute candles. When did you start getting into trading gold? I've always traded gold, Tom. I only started trading gold on its own. Like I always used to trade like 10, 15 forex pairs for like the first 3 or 4 years. I've always traded gold within them pairs, but then I started taking gold seriously maybe like on its own. Like then I put my probably pairs down to maybe like 1 to 3. But then I only started just sticking to gold like a year and a half ago. All the best. Cheers, Amir. Nice one, mate. Assume you started trading BTC. No, I've never traded just crypto, mate. I've only just traded FX and gold. Futures. Forex. I was profitable with Forex before I started trading gold. I had many payouts in Forex, Tom. Many payouts in Forex. And I just traded gold. I just trade gold now because I do better with just gold. But yeah, I was trading Forex before I traded gold for like a year and a half without a job. But yeah, you're right, bro. If you have no idea what you're doing and you have no strategy, Forex is tough. Don't get me wrong. You're definitely right. Forex is definitely tough. You get a lot of liquidity grabs in Forex, but gold's very tough too. There's no easy pair. I hate you can hardly measure the volume in Forex. I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. With Forex, guys, if you want to measure the actual daily volume, just use 24 ATR. SFL daily 24 ATR. You can see like today the volume is pushing above ATR. So we're actually higher. The volume's quite high today. And you can see that with the price action. Looks like a pullback. Here we go. Yeah, potentially. Cheers for the likes, guys. Thank you. Appreciate you all. Guys, 2 more subscribers to get to 200. It's crazy. It's been a good last couple of weeks for the YouTube. Appreciate everyone who subscribes and likes, by the way, and tunes in, comments, whatever. Nice one. I just started to become somewhat profitable in BTC, so we'll just stick with that, but love the gold market. Beautiful, Tom. Yeah, that's great, man. If you're profitable with BTC, yeah, stick with that. I'm profitable with gold. I'll stick with this, but yeah, I do appreciate you sticking by. And if you want to learn some basic gold things, like I say, just absolutely fine. To the gold market's beautiful. The gold market volume's the best. But yeah, there's not much to do yet, guys. We've got the hourly's just opened, instantly pushed down. You're probably going to see a wick fill or a continuation higher. We've got a double top here to take now, which is great. Starting to create some liquidity to go higher. Yeah, you'd be break even on this if you took it. I would go anyway. That's what I'd do. Yeah, look at this now. This is just a pullback to go higher, guys. So that'd be break even with partials. You know, you ran beautifully there, guys. You know, 65 ticks. Not bad. And the 4 hourly's just opened. Interesting, guys. Very interesting. Welcome, guys. We've got 15 people here. Welcome all. Find it really interesting how it crushes through supports and instantly flips support and resistance. Yeah, it does. You're very right, mate. Gold flips very well. Like, it'll push up, and then it'll instantly flip down like so. And then you're entering on the flip here, and you'll get that, like, easy 40, 50 ticks. You know, and you've not even been in the trade 5 minutes. It's crazy. It's really good. Amir, looks like gold want to do W pattern. I got entry at 68. 68? 68? I got an entry at 68 on the futures chart or this chart. The W pattern's just, for anybody interested, the W pattern's just the head and shoulders, bro. You've got your shoulder, head, potential right shoulder, but it's going to just catapult down, I know it is. Doesn't really make sense to me, as that doesn't really happen in any other markets. I understand what you mean, bro. Like, on FX, it doesn't happen that often. But it's just a little bottom wick. On most markets, you get a little bottom wick before the continuation higher. $68. You got an entry at 68. Beautiful, yeah. You got, if you got an entry here, yeah, but you've got a double top here, remember? Previous chart, yeah, I understand. I understand, Naeem, nice. Amir. Yeah, you've got it here, haven't you? 68. Bang. Your entries here. Nice. You know, you've got, nice. But yeah, you be aware, guys. You have got a double top here, guys, at 68. So anybody who's short, have the stop loss here. You could potentially look to get that taken today after news. News will probably take it in 15 minutes. News will probably take it in 15 minutes, by the way, guys. Like I say, I always say it. News, whatever happens, you know, we're pushing down pre-news. You know, 15 minutes, you're going to take these highs. The question is, are you going to take liquidity to the downside first? You know, are you going to take these lows? And are you going to take these lows here? TQ4, Sharinth. Like I say, guys, let's see any questions. These are my liquidity. This is my liquidity for right now, I'd say. No, 5-minute chart probably looks the best, to be honest. No need to trade the news. Not for me, Naeem, mate. I'm going to just stay on, see what it does in 12 minutes, but I've already made 65 ticks today. If anybody wants me to go over the 65 tick push that I caught today in London session, you can do. But yeah, if you've got any questions, guys, let me see. If you want me to break any charts down for you, I'm here to break the charts down for gold anyway. I'm looking for this, either a liquidity grab to go higher or a liquidity grab to go lower. Simple. This 5 minute on gold is interesting. You've got trendline liquidity here too. Gold actually hasn't. I'm very surprised gold hasn't taken that double top as well. I thought it would have took it and then continue down, but it's leaving it, I think, for news in 10 minutes. Probably going to leave it to go higher. Let's see what news is going to do anyway, guys. 10 minutes. Have we reached 200 subscribers yet? What are we at? Let's see. 198 still. No, we need 2 more still. All good, all good. No worries. So we're just taking that first little bit of liquidity as well. And now we're taking the latter. We're taking this liquidity to the downside. Wow. Look at that. Instantly pushing down, taking the liquidity. Yeah, guys, so we've got 11 people in. Welcome to everyone. I'm just waiting for this news. There's news in 8 minutes, guys. Don't be stupid, don't be silly and take any positions right now. It's just pointless. You know, we've got liquidity at both sides of the market. Liquidity to the downside has just been taken. Are we going to continue higher? Possibly. But yeah, if you've got any questions, guys, let me know. I've been live for an hour and a half today, so... It's just absolutely flying to the downside now, gold. I think we're going to push up on news, I think, in 7 minutes. Like I say on gold, you know, pre-news you're pushing down, then after the news, take liquidity, push up. Like I say, guys, I do have to go somewhere soon in the next 10 minutes. So after news, I'll update and then that'll be me done. Yeah. But yeah, we've got news in 6 minutes, guys. Hold tight. Okay, guys, 5 minutes just closed straight below this range. Five minutes until news. What news is it again? It is. No, the news. We've got 220 news. Fed, Pet, Powell speaking. It's normally quite bullish. It's normally quite a high volume. But yeah, we'll see. Like I say, it opens in 4 minutes. It's gonna. I think it's gonna pull up a bit personally. But we'll see. Welcome to people still in, guys. You know, we've got 12 people and it's great. Yeah, I do appreciate everyone. Like I say, guys, news in 4 minutes. 3 minutes. Very still right now, yeah. You tend to get that pre-news. You're probably gonna... Guys, I don't like to say what I think on pre-news because you got a double top here that needs taking, okay? So when you've got a double top that needs taking and news pushes down and creates that double top, my thinking is that this double top's been created to get taken after news. So yeah, I think we could push up. Personally, I think we're going to push up because we've taken liquidity to the downside. So this is just a pullback to go long. Yeah. So yeah, that's my thought on news, guys. But we'll see. Right, guys, so news in 45 seconds. But yeah, just a quick overview. I think we're going to pull back on news. I don't think we go lower. If we do go lower on news, it's going to be take this liquidity here. To take this liquidity here and then go higher. But overall, I think the next 30-minute candle, personally, I think the next 30-minute candle will be a bullish one. like I said, it is a speaking one as well, so it's gonna take time because he is speaking. Nothing just yet though. No movement at all. Back in a second, guys. Guys, I'm back in a minute. Right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Guys, has anybody got any last questions before I go? Has anybody got any more questions before I go? Let me know. The I am gonna go, guys, because there's nothing much for me just yet. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna update you really quickly on what I'm seeing. If anyone's got any questions, put it in. But I am gonna update you what I'm gonna see for the session going ahead now. So the thing that you can see on gold, that you have still got a little bit of liquidity below to take. You know, we've started to take this liquidity here, but you have still got some lows to take here. So what price could do is take these lows and then continue higher. Okay, if it does that, I'll wait for price to close back above some levels, and then yeah, anybody in the community, you'll understand my levels, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I will see you all tomorrow, same time, guys. Same time tomorrow, guys. I have got to be somewhere, but anybody in the community, I'll update you on my levels when it's right. But what I'd look for now, guys, is, you know, either a liquidity grab, you know, break back above, continuation into these highs here. But you're going to see a bit of volume step in when he starts speaking. And he actually starts saying something interesting. But for now, there's nothing, guys. But yeah, guys, I am going to go. I hope everyone's enjoyed the session. And I will see you all tomorrow, 1 PM. Hopefully, price does us a bit of something. You know, we're having this pullback, which is great. Now we're seeing this pullback that now we can start looking for longs again. Taking some of this liquidity and breaking out. So yeah, guys. Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. And yeah, like I say, if you take some free value away from this, it's great. Like I say, I'll see you all tomorrow. And yeah, peace, guys. Yeah, catch you later, Naeem, mate. Bye-bye, pal. Bye-bye. Peace, guys.